how to customize photographic styles for camera on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings, and in the Settings page, we scroll down, then tap on Camera. Next, in the app settings, tap on Photographic Styles, and then tap on Get Started. In here, you need to select 4 photos. So I'm going to select 4 photos here that I want to use. Right, and then tap on Continued. Next, swipe across and select a style. So here we got Standard, Amber, which is a bit more yellower, and we got Gold, Rose Gold, and then you got Neutral and Cool Rose. Now you can readjust the settings below that. So here it accentuates rose gold undertones, so we can change or readjust the undertones color. So for amber or for gold, you can drag on the slider bar to the left or to the right to increase the undertones, and then tap on Continued. And from here, you can also readjust the color by dragging on the dot, the white dot within the square right here. And then you can also drag on the bar at the bottom to the left or to the right to increase or decrease the color. And then tap on Save Tone and Color. Then tap on Done. And that's it. So now we have successfully set up the photographic styles for your camera. From now on, when you take a photo with your camera, it will use that style. So it will use that style to take photos. If you want to set it back to standard, you can go in here and choose photographic styles, and simply reset it back to standard. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.